How are you today? I hope you are doing fine as of the moment. Kung ako naman ang tatanungin mo, well, kinabahan po talaga ako. Akala ko ay tuluyan na akong iiwan ang aking cellphone. Well, yes indeed. Munti ka na pong masira talaga ang aking cellphone. On the other hand, God is always to the rescue. He is our mighty fortress and great covering in this lifetime. Sumasang-ayon ka ba? One thing is for sure. Alam mo ba ang kantang ito? Tunay na di nagbabago ang pag-ibig ni Kristo. Lalong tumitibay at dumadalisay ang kanyang pagmamahal. Diba? God is good all the time. He's always with us even under any circumstance of life. Sometimes, when we think it's finally over, God is able to make an instant miracle. Do you agree? To all my beloved viewers and subscribers out there's no reason for us to give up ha. Magpatuloy lang po tayo sa ating mga ginagawa. Huwag po nating basta-basta susukuan ng ating YT channel ha. Although ako po talaga honestly, sabi ko talaga kahapon, hindi na ako mag-upload kapag hindi na talaga naayos ang cellphone ko. Well, hindi po talaga pumayag si Lord, diba? Alam niya kung gaano ko po kamahal ang pag-vlog. Masaya po ako sa ginagawa ko How about you? Keep safe everyone. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi dyan.